Imagine waking up every morning to a new view, the mountains one day, the ocean the next, and here's the wild part, you're not paying rent, not a single cent. That's right, this 2026 rent-free RV lifestyle is turning the dream of total freedom into reality, and it's changing how people think about living altogether. No landlords, no endless bills, just you, your wheels, and the open road calling your name. Now, before you think this sounds impossible, wait till you see how people are doing it. This new generation of RVs is built for sustainable living: solar panels, water filtration systems, compact kitchens, and fold-out sleeping spaces that feel surprisingly luxurious. It's not just a vehicle, it's a fully functional smart home that moves wherever your heart wants to go. And the best part? You can live in it rent-free, completely off-grid, powered by nature itself. Think about this, the average person spends more than half their income on rent or mortgage payments. But the ones living this new RV lifestyle? They've flipped the system. Instead of draining money every month, they're investing in freedom, real, unfiltered freedom. They park by lakes, camp under starlit skies, and work remotely from anywhere with a signal. Some even build side hustles while traveling, using their RV as both home and office. And it's not just about saving money. It's about lifestyle. It's about simplicity. These 2026 RVs are designed with innovation at their core. Lightweight builds, electric drive systems, modular interiors, and storage that feels endless. Everything you need is within arm's reach, yet you never feel confined. Every corner is optimized for comfort, with hidden tech that keeps energy flowing and costs at zero. Picture yourself pulling up to a quiet spot, opening the back door, and letting the sunset pour in while you sip your coffee. There's no rent, no stress, no routine dragging you down. Just peace. That's the power of this rent-free RV movement. People are choosing life over bills, adventure over routine. And here's the thing, it's not just for retirees or travelers anymore. Young people, couples, even small families are joining the movement. Some are converting old vans, others are investing in new 2026 RV models that practically pay for themselves through solar power and smart efficiency. They're realizing they don't need a big house to live a big life. So maybe the question isn't why people are living rent-free in RVs, maybe it's why aren't you? The road is wide open, and freedom's right there waiting. No strings, no rent, no limits. Just the world in front of you and a home that follows wherever you go. Because in 2026, the smartest way to live might just be to live rent-free. And if you've ever dreamed of breaking out of the system and finally living life on your own terms, this is your sign. Pack your dreams, hit the road, and never look back.